Somebody shooting a gun has seems to surface my video. What's up, YouTube? I was just showing you this huge plant that I worked. Woke up about 6 in the morning to work on this, and I worked till about 10:30 or 11. Okay. I don't know what kind of plant it is. If you know, comment below. But yeah, we're cutting it down and making sure to get it killed, because I'll be working on it tomorrow. It just grows over the road. Finally, you can see that pole there. But yeah, look how big of a pile I got. Oh, I about tripped. And it's still that big.
Whoa, it rains again.
This is working out. Yeah, this is how you weld things up right here. Gunner. The sun's hurting my eye. You got it. Might be able to. It's going. We're gonna get all this burnt up. Oh, all right, we've been working since about 10:30, and it's 12:46. It's about 34 hours of good work. I'll be back. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I won't. Dang, I feel the heat from here. Holy crap. That's crazy. Jackie, take a good picture. Alright, Gunner helped us out. Gotta get this gate shut back. Part 2. There we go. We're good. Hope you enjoyed that little work video. I'm exhausted. My grandpa's exhausted. If you enjoyed, I'll do more probably later on. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day and peace.